In this video, I will show you how to pin tabs in Google Chrome so you can keep your most important pages always open. Now, as you can see, I've got a few different tabs open at the top here. So I've got google.com, I've got my settings opened and YouTube as well. To pin any of these tabs, all you need to do is simply right click onto the tab that you want to pin. And on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option which says pin. So when we give that a click, it's going to pin this tab and move it to the front of our tabs. This makes it a lot easier to find, especially if you have a lot of tabs open. Now you can do this for as many open tabs as you want. So if we wanted to do this for YouTube as well, I would right click onto the tab and again on this menu click onto pin. To unpin any of your pin tabs, the process is pretty much the same. All you need to do is right click onto any of your pin tabs, and on this menu that comes up, you're going to see an option which says unpin, and that's going to unpin the tab. So that's how to pin tabs in Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.